Have you here. I'll keep my comments very short and sweet because, as you know, we have a very full agenda, and I know you're keen to get started and really get into the meat of it. We're going to do a round of introductions, and then Ruth is going to give sort of an orienting presentation just to sort of tell us more about what we want to accomplish here. But before we let you introduce yourselves, I just wanted to comment on the diversity of expertise we have here, ranging from basic science to people who work in animal models to epidemiology. We have circadian disruption. We have expertise in shift work and jet lag. And so I think I talk with you, some of you at least, on the phone, and I am absolutely confident that it's going to be a very rich discussion. And so I'm sure that it's really going to inform our future work. So again, what I'd like to do is just have everybody at the table go ahead and just introduce yourselves and your affiliation, and then after you're done, we'll go ahead and let people in the audience introduce themselves. In addition, we have about 200 people registered to watch this via the web. So, start with you. Yeah, go ahead.
Tania Carreon Valencia from the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health.
I'm Tina Lawson, also from the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health.
I'm Sachin Panda. I'm from Salk Institute.
Hi, Randy Nelson from Ohio State.
I'm Johnny Hansen from the Danish Cancer Society Research Center in Copenhagen, Denmark.
I'm Andrew Coogan from Maynooth University in Ireland.
Mariana Figueroa, Lighting Research Center, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, upstate New York.
Wendy Boyd, National Toxicology Program.
Ruth Lund, National Toxicology Program, NIEHS.
Gloria Yankee, National Toxicology Program, NIEHS.
Dave Blask, Tulane University School of Medicine.
Michael Gorman, University of California, San Diego.
Mike Smolensky, University of Texas, Department of Biomedical Engineering in Austin.
Fred Turret from Northwestern University, Department of Neurobiology and Neurology.
Richard Stevens from the University of Connecticut.
Janet Hall from NIEHS.
Michael Torrey, Director, National Center on Sleep Disorders Research at NIH.
Claire Caruso, National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health.
Pam Schwingle from ILS in support of NTP Toxicology Program.
I'm Michael White. I'm an architectural lighting designer with Schuler Shook.
Katie Pelch, National Toxicology Program.
Kyla Taylor, National Toxicology Program.
Sanford Garner, Integrated Laboratory Systems in support of the report on carcinogens.
Christine Parks, Epidemiology Branch, NIEHS.
Bob Gazauskas, Lights Out America.
Megan Mahoney, University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign.
Alec Davidson, Morehouse School of Medicine.
Audrey Fisher, Chicago Astronomical Society President and One Star at a Time.
Lexi White, Epidemiology Branch, NIEHS.
Dale Sandler, also Epidemiology Branch, NIEHS.
Stan Atwood, Integrated Laboratory Systems in support of the National Toxicology Program.
Alton Peters, Integrated Laboratory Systems in support of the report on carcinogens.
Brian Howard from SIUM and in support of NTP.
Mike DeVito, NIEHS Division of National Toxicology Program.
All right, thank you. And thanks again to our panel members and our federal partners for the time that you spent reviewing agendas, background materials, preparing presentations, being willing to serve as moderators. It's very much appreciated.